Okay, I'm gonna make a real quick video on where the coolant temperature sensor is on a 3.3 Hyundai engine. Front of the car, driver's side. Behind the battery, took the air box out. That's the top of the transmission. Turn over to the side. It's the intake. See that one? That's the oil one. I'm gonna look directly down. Come up a little bit. Right there. Right there. That's the coolant one. It faces towards the firewall. See? Coolant temperature sensor. It's right there. Right below it. And there's a oil one. That one's on the side of the block.